Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how easy it is to use MCP, the Model Context Protocol, to access external systems within your enterprise AI environment by using Dial. To demonstrate this, we'll build and deploy the open source Fetch MCP server via the Dial admin and create a simple quick app that uses this server. From the Dial admin, we navigate to MCP servers and click to add a new one. Dial allows you to deploy these servers from GitHub source code or via Docker images. Today, we'll be using Docker, so we'll get the fetch URL from Docker Hub. The transport method is just how the server runs by default. In Fetch's case, we'll be using standard input and output. Once we have filled in our desired fields, we select Build and wait for the server to be built. Eventually, we'll see our status change to a green built icon. We can check the build log for additional information. Now that we have successfully built our MCP server, let's deploy it. To do this, we navigate to MCP Instances pane and select Create. We choose our Fetch server and enter a name and optional description and click Finish. Now that we have created the instance, let's deploy it. Note that we can also view all available tools for this MCP instance using this menu, and also track things like prompt, metrics, and see an execution history. Now that it's been deployed, let's demonstrate this MCP server in action by creating a Dial quick app that connects to it. We'll copy this URL as we'll need it a bit later when we create this quick app. We navigate to the Dial instance, which we can do from the Dial admin, and choose to create a quick app from our workspace. Of course, Dial applications can connect to MCP servers that are deployed outside the Dial ecosystem as well. For more information about Dial quick apps and how they work, please check out the videos linked in the description below. Since this is just a simple demo, we'll skip all optional fields and just call it the Fetch quick app and go to the config settings. We select our model for the quick app, in this case GPT-4, and configure our MCP toolset with a simple JSON format, copying over the URL from our MCP instance. We could also configure authorization and other parameters as necessary using this schema. Now, let's ask our quick app, which is simply GPT-4 as the underlying model and a configured Fetch MCP toolset, exactly what it can do. You can see that in addition to the expected LLM capabilities, it now understands that the MCP toolset has been configured and that it can fetch information from the internet. Let's ask it for a simple example. Fetch me information about France from Wikipedia. You can see it calling the Fetch MCP, which responds with the wiki article in Markdown format. The Model Context Protocol is an exciting standard for building secure connections between external data sources and systems and internal AI-powered tools. Dial allows you to seamlessly integrate public and custom MCP servers into your existing AI ecosystem with the Dial admin and access them directly via quick apps. In a future video, we'll show you how you can incorporate multiple MCP servers and multiple agents and orchestrate between them using Dial ChatHub. Please subscribe to see more content about how the open source Dial platform enables enterprise GenAI adoption. Thank you.